When you need a new roof, it's important to choose someone who will do an excellent job. You want a company that can complete the project efficiently and make sure all details are covered. Denny's Roofing LLC is a trusted residential and commercial roofing company in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. We specialize in providing high-quality roofs for homes and businesses, taking the hassle out of replacing your roof. When you're ready to have your roof replaced, we'll be here for you, ready to help get the job done right. We'll work with you to find the right roofing solution for your home or business, and make sure that we're exceeding all of your expectations. At Denny's Roofing LLC, we're proud of the fact that 93% of our business comes directly from referrals. We pride ourselves on our comprehensive 5-star service guarantee. One call gets us all your residential and commercial roofing needs. We'll handle new construction projects, hail damage repair, storm damage repair, and insurance claims specialists. Whatever it is, we'll take care of it for you. If you need any of these services, give us a call today at 970-275-4012. You can learn more about our services by visiting www.dennysroofingllc.com/Glenwood-Springs-Roofing-Company. Here at Denny's Roofing LLC, we will handle all of your roofing needs, from basic repairs to full-scale replacements.